All right. Chechele punda ya biana wana ka platform yana pa mani air fa ma yur wanya liep sera uchani di talented. Adana ka as a platform jana as a before artist in small au yur basole judan bi fastero. Yes, judan bi fastero. Fastero, welcome.
Hello, thank you.
Before solo so kutum putana sa yung yana sa kwa. Adinu sema sa fiyan sa high five sindi na sa fona. Okay, fastero for hindi ni puto. Okay, so why bad? Dina sa baka sa bubur kung futier ba mbao.
Oh, Abba, some
Oh,
fighting about.
okay, sem na pil and baka focus a highlight of a career story, breakdown highlight just achievements if you self understanding na. Okay, just cause kusiyang ba mara lencha si pila buru jade na.
Okay, well, until Faustero, you Faustero, in Bible, born and bred at Wichao, born and bred at Wichao, started a music career not long ago, approximately until I said simple music career, and me so bokure. So time 5 years, just simple active music, Lord, yeah, and take a 3 to 2 3 years, la,
2 to 3 years.
yeah.
Okay.
So
So
So with these years, in terms of Fastero music, c'est tout drop it. Yes, le tout do you well on streaming platforms. C'est tout get into Upper West music industry for. C'est tout get into Savannah music industry for, and then the northern at large. Yeah, c'est
okay.
tout drop it. Yes, na tout for global markets. Yes, na tout for global market. C'est tout mo yo yemi ja jere na ala sim.
Njere Okay.
Yele bi
So so with this highlight here could say for media handles for media spotlight handles aja ya so apa ya so phone la ya na kara ma e ba modna na fufule share ko se wana pa bila futera o bonja biya se pa se wana pa so highlight rena.
Oh, okay, well, ntia en wala yu ka fastero ba
Okay.
fon borma media handles for ntia fastero GH le
Baby.
streaming platforms for ntia streaming platform ja bia wi ka se ndra ma ton ko chili yi fon ko na fa type fastero GH ntia ina o we ya bedo ja fa chela ala fon ba ka fa chela nti TikTok, Facebook, Snap ja bia pa ba mo ton krete account ya fastero GH bembe.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
All right, so follow Fastero GH on all streaming platforms, be on all media platforms. Several. So as an artist, so what are both challenges I'm phone face it within a few years and what on papa just something brief.
Okay, well, coming up, it was a channel camera upload there, but let me
Okay.
just say coming up, starting from small scene period, facing numerous challenges, and it's only and there be an era financial problem,
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and there be dangote, you understand? So
Alala.
we are actually facing a
A lot.
financial program, say a problem rather.
Okay.
Yeah, and financial problem in Boeing and then audience in Boeing because sometimes man
Getting the
needing
audience.
that huge audience I'm
Okay.
attending to as a craft. We are
Okay.
actually doing well though, but I think a talent take what one year.
Cut one year.
Yeah, so we actually need you people. We need the audience to make it there.
Okay.
And then one thing is that we need a platform sign a tune project to say
Okay.
something like what you are just doing, talented studio.
Okay.
You've done
Okay.
a great job. You've been doing it.
Okay.
Yeah, so until I see needing a platform like this and a bigger platforms too, like
Okay.
alas, yeah, can say about it. Yeah,
Okay.
so it's good. And then we in challenges in face it. Some that one another in okay.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So with that, I will challenge you some nini bebelale. So sort for we are here on how we attend to their crafts more of it. Sometimes when we drop it, sometimes when we event as a show up as appearance. So far collaborations with artists in the industry po never collaborations able to say those collaborations means a lot to you.
Well, until I say in that report in collaborations, one or two,
Okay.
and then notwithstanding the fact say my collaboration with Sarkodie, that's Gidomo.
Okay.
Yeah, as I yellow performing well, and then my collaboration with Dreams,
Okay.
Jambere, Umwa in somehow better. So
Why better?
yeah, and then yeah, currently in say they are a collaboration saying not one boost of at the
Funa tumo
moment.
boost off at the moment.
Yeah.
Okay, kosia adi doma o freestyle ya blana. Fumle kosia fuma ba di doma fun kosina o deshime ya blan.
Adi domalanya. Ma wachini tenye baye mapura. Alwa numosi mamala. Yelwa bibisi mamala tumabonka.
Okay, so then focusa o deshime featuring Jambere.
Odeshi, 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 Dream Sile Malenye, Sonla in Wadure Mambore Kabatom.
Okay, I say now. So chain of the Kanya Fastero GH on all streaming platform for young for and I self understand. So far recently for dropping yield Judan B. Jeremy Yemi.
Yeah, you done be entire freestyle. Yeah,
Okay, so Judan be freestyle. So si chano wara be self tira say but before the last thing yara ka dina ya for first time from Karama. But more than nothing of you na fully subscribe it. Bila futira comment say pa anya ja sema malabon mo visit semaika. Bila futira comment say pa mayina sa si dia ala ja na say na sa lonta. Na say na sa nyebon ko na si yin. Na sa wana son na sa wa yin na sa ko. So sende na Judan be me freestyle na spank kwa Judan be yes.
okay. Them know the way, them know the way, Kababona, Soro Tela Yovambiri. Them know the way, them know the way, Kababon, Kabali Yovambiri. Them know the way, them know the way, Kababona, Soro. Me never believe in things me never see. Them say them American, nobody compete. Well, I know say them no feed. Boy, them I put down on repeat. But take a balaba on this over, talk at all, you know, my eleven. Talk at all, you know, my eleven. You damn man. Last year, including all the rappers, do your words fakers. And the babala yin man and man, Kupangab acres. Oh, you suckers. Drop the beat, your guy if you do like this. Abi.
I said, I Charlie. So I can check Judan V said, well, yeah, it's about Judan B reading for Judan B freestyle for several one up. So for Yereka, rappers, Balabam man for Koban Gabu Ikes for Makwana.
Okay, just it is we know rap,
Rap line.
and then rap we know how rap go.
Okay.
And then more a rappers baba man on man Kubangab acres.
Acres.
It isn't that it be on corner Kurabagab acres. You understand?
Okay. So on that, a year enough on drop it. Is it emotional or just a music like be just entertainment like?
Oh, actually, like I was telling somebody else, the time I beat Nyalu, it wasn't anything in plan to say me. I'm going to drop something. I just got the beat and
Yeah.
then I just went to the studio. I wrote
About
nothing,
fancy bunya.
nothing, no emotions. I just went to the studio and I meant to, I just started recording.
Okay.
No emotions.
So a year po for throwing punch contra me for throwing punch contra a year point. Be like for year ko ye pandra ko nyu se no sa plan ya la mala unchiko. Teacher won bull you re for year la be fa year la.
Well, actually, so I don't know how Ndren told you not there, but
Okay.
like I said, it was just a vibe I'm going with. Yeah.
Okay. So in as I you judan bi won I ka fa shim se chen di shim kan suru yes he atate ayi sa yi lompo. For year ko year po. In kubanga ikes for explaining na lo. Ayim balana rapre berfo pote. Ay brofolizer ye rap. So nrela sa line lo chenko be general issue lo be bune fo bore ka address teacher fa here nya actual point for some of na address at least of their sa line lo because never you ya chela sa jilo ba ba pare cause highlight that as kan.
Okay, well, Montro Erisonia, music is a vibe.
Okay.
You see, in vibe. And then, as a brothel life or rap,
Rap.
it is bunkun I think a fan base me about they've always been saying it.
Okay.
Say as a musical artist, as my blender English with as a local dialect. And then
Okay.
to say that I could even mean that to myself.
Okay.
I'm not saying I'm it is heading towards me, but like I could mean it to myself that maybe let's brothelize our rap, then
Okay.
you understand,
Okay.
then get things global.
Okay.
Actually, I'm clearing this. It isn't a punch. Why punch? And then if you feel it's a punch, well,
No problem.
wow.
Okay. So on that, Judambi, how did you come back? Come out Judambi. Ah, yeah, Judan Jaffa. How you came out Judambi?
Okay, it's a nice question though.
Yeah.
And then I think this is my first time being asked this question.
Okay.
Judan be this is not the first time I because for Andre to first stereo music. This is not the first time for me when Judan be because I've been mentioning it, I've been attaching it as a slogan to my tracks,
Okay.
and then I just feel like let me add the Judan be. I think Sejija Bona Bon le Judan le,
Yeah.
and then to say Judan be Judan le, you get it.
Yes.
We need Judan be but Judan le.
Judan.
So it's just it's just literally
Okay.
yeah.
All right.
So how I came out with it, yes, be I'm feeling say musically I'm
For you know Judan
like
music for.
into a characterized by Judan. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah, I feel that. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
yeah.
So I'll Charlie. So I can find a change stream years or chain of the check and don't forget, swore for sometimes my era numbers my count now as a before artist before say a collaboration, be one a collaboration outside as a let's say the fraternity of before or the region upper west guy say one collaboration outside. Sometimes I come and I have to go and check on his numbers. I don't want to impact kuma amount while collaboration jina muna emina equal. So you must want to follow so that anytime there be anything of that nature no will happen and then kama yung na kama nya sun funa yung na ko. So mbaka sur funa kan ya. Bole fatara ka fa yar bi mboka fu bila fa tier blan yi ndebe bala na chele yi asare de minyana. Bi ndebe bala chele say na ba use emotion na ba use emotions bole fatara ka fa yar like on music bali chele ya in with emotions yar blan na focus cheka esi bembe yo tiche he yeah.
Okay, well, take us say first of all, you'll be in the address like before music. I face it chanwara.
Okay.
Notwithstanding the fact say see I can see the name peel kakure,
Okay.
but literally I face it chanwara, and then the fans too, I feel about developer interest for before music,
Okay.
and then to take things emotional at this moment, I don't think say we're
Once more.
inadvisable of course. Music in my era so be music in a vibe,
Okay.
music in a vibe. So when an artist drop a song, just focus on the talent part of an artist,
Artist.
and then forget about the emotions. Because why I'm saying this is because emotions me work with the artist himself, but encounter as emotions.
Emotions
Like,
are
it is
like
just a vibe, we drop it on
one drop
a
rate.
beat.
Okay.
So when the song is out of feel, say, oh Charlie, I'm this, I'm that, Charlie. Let's
Why
just
you-
drop it.
Okay.
Music is a vibe. Always,
Okay.
I always say this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So faster Eka music is a vibe. So just for entertainment. Follow on use music for emotions sometimes. Or matter advantage. So with that, and the border I can suro aircon. As artist and fan base, artist now fan base, there is difference.
Yeah.
But a difference which is a funny artist, only control a fan base. So whenever an artist or a fan base, what are case, be a fan base A, then fan base B, what a tarana problem. Then a fan base A artist, a forward out, bullet a forward out, be a funny a fan base A artist ebia for warren out but have clear air on what the fan base are doing. So what the fan base are doing. Bule for tereka for areas I but be bule for say that would be the best option for abia fan base A the fan base being a clash then ka fan base is A artist while we're out. So be fan base yes fan base A artist while we're out. So bule for Terry said that would be the best or possible solution for that case when the fan base are clashing.
Well,
Ayer komen ko pa,
well, the thing is that actually, first of all, Tiago don't look music is a vibe,
Yes.
and then when fan base is what crash on media,
Okay.
and I learned sometimes physically they do happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then when fan base work crash like this, I just with anything I do, ma kana no bebale dinni ena
Yes.
leban yere
Okay.
musical is a artist be me le that's name sometimes yellow one some of them decide to be quiet,
Okay.
and then it is one of the ways for not only for solving cases like this, just be quiet.
Okay.
Uh, I don't know. I don't want to mention any bigger
Okay.
artists like
Okay.
Tarasa character
Okay.
lot yet, but
Okay.
let's just say Sarkodie for instance, like
Okay.
Sarkodie
Yeah. Obedi.
official
Yeah.
official Sarkodie.
Obedi. Yeah.
He's
Silence.
also cases so work because a fan base crash runner for mine are silent.
For my inner silence.
He doesn't say anything. And then
Okay.
there are artists like cases Wawa in this manner. Umar acting.
Okay.
There's somebody like Shatawale.
Yes. One
Shatawale.
man. Hey, Charlie.
Case Lobby Junakasa case when I would do. Charlie,
One year.
when life of panel to
No.
address a case.
Yes. No be
You
like
understand?
part.
So sometimes it depends on a phone artist and a way of them choose to
Okay.
your fan base. You understand?
All right.
So if a artist decide to say we silent, it's good.
Okay.
Artists more decide to say oh boy now fight just
For
like the
right.
fan base.
Okay.
I don't feel like
It's
you
bad.
know
Yeah. All
it's
right.
entertainment. It's just for entertainment.
All
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
All right. So aburnuana but as a son yita say yi atakon himself one apart. Satare officially we will meet next time back. But then mbaka for ko shout outs to ndebe 102 corner supporter for from day one to today and they never get tired. Mbaka for kuba shout out and then we move on.
Actually, until a shout out no china to New York, but um, Mamba for you there why say you are not in the circle.
Okay.
So one actually New York boys, New York City niggas, Ajilo in Gilale.
Okay.
I said they've tried a lot, but maybe in full soon and then manager me, manager one, that's the door.
Okay.
We have Eye Prince. He has been doing great.
Okay.
Notwithstanding the first stamina, Donzi Martin, that's my bro.
Okay.
Pop G's himself, Charlie, a boy is one and
Bawana.
Dibala,
Bawana.
Charlie, New York boys to Baja say, and
Okay.
aside the New York boys, me, talented yourself, you've been doing good.
Thank you.
Machiavelli,
Thank
the
you.
bloggers in
Thank
the
you.
Charlie, he's saying how cry, he's saying
Okay.
how,
Okay.
and then a lot of people, Charlie,
Okay.
you be truly true, follow me, actually, positive machine like Charlie, you or
Bye Jasmine.
yeah, true, man.
All right. So warna kasi ifutare ir kon ka ir na fukwa a fans na kara for be.
Okay, well, with the interview, yeah, we were just focusing on the
Yeah.
WYFL
Yes.
rhythm.
Yes.
Then I feel after that tune dropped, going through the comments, inspiration came, and then some because some people feel like maybe
For attack and
it was
ready.
an attack or something like that. I always say this anytime on your platform, say music in a vibe, music in a business, and then it's a vibe. And
Okay.
then before you get to the business state of a music, that's how we vibe because for that.
Okay.
Don't get emotions when it is music.
Okay.
Yeah, don't get emotions when it is music, and just be you when it comes to music, Charlie.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So then my first time into Judambia, but I've liked the conversation and I wish to see you next time. So senko area go like saying when I sembaras interview kana then asilo tour next time. Barkanawa.
Baraka.
All right. And before that was in I can for in artist na for border graphics designer so for iPrint boss. Fanya funya insu branded one iPrint graphics. Lola yung ya lola tumatuma mo jajano yung ya no kuma ma yuro anyali sero chane di talented sen le turago sono ya sen lo